Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use NameDrop to share a contact with another iPhone on your iPhone 15 Pro. To do that, first make sure that you have unlocked both your iPhone and the other iPhone, and then just grab your iPhone 15 Pro and drag the top side of your iPhone 15 Pro to the top side of the other iPhone until the animation appears on your screen, after which you'll be able to either share your contact or only receive the contact of the person that you connected with. And that's basically how you do it. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.